A traumatic brain injury is also known as a TBI. Brain injuries are described as traumatic or acquired based on the cause of injury. One of the most important things to know about a TBI is what caused the brain injury. That information can help aid research and develop prevention programs. The cerebellum is located in the back of the brain. It is relatively well protected from trauma compared to other parts of the brain. But when it is injured, it can have a large impact on a person's movement. The frontal lobes are the control center for our emotions and located in the front of the brain. There is a left frontal lobe and a right frontal lobe. The left controls language related movements and the right controls nonverbal abilities. These lobes are not particularly vulnerable to injury because they are located in the back of the brain, but any injury to them can significantly impair our visual perception system. The parietal lobes have two functions. They also have a left and right lobe. The injuries that occur on the right lobe are different from the injuries on the left, and vice versa. The bullet points with the green triangle represent the symptoms that occur when the left side of the parietal lobe is damaged, and all the other bullets represent the symptoms that occur when the right lobe is damaged. Similar to the parietal lobes, the temporal lobes have right and left sides. The bullet points with the green triangles represent the symptoms that can occur when the left side of the temporal lobe is damaged, and all of the other bullets represent the symptoms that occur when the right side is damaged. Injury to the brainstem occurs after a trauma and are less noticeable than other injuries. Usually the injuries are closed head injuries that can only be detected by a doctor using advanced medical equipment. These accommodations I listed here are some of the most important ones I pulled from a list of accommodations for those students with brain injuries. I thought that one of the most important ones was using a daily organizer to help aid memory. Usually, if a student has a traumatic brain injury, that can highly impact their memory. So using tools to help build their memory up can be extremely helpful. This video not only gives more information to what a TBI is, but it also shows an example of a child who had a traumatic brain injury and how it affected his life. It also talks about a teacher's role and the role of a speech therapist and their importance in the life of a child with a traumatic brain injury.